Hey y'all, Nadine here, and today I'm going to attempt to try to make some crate butterflies using crate paper butterflies using die cut with a view petal paper. So this is the pack, and it is available at JOANN's. So this is their example to make flowers. So it comes with a light yellow and a dark yellow. So as it says, it's 10 inches by 49 inches, as you can see on there. Okay, so I have a rectangle cut of each color, and you want to make sure you know which way I guess they're the rivets or whatever, which direction they're going. I want them going this way, not up and down. And then I have a template, which I will put a link down below in the description box of all of the products I'll be using, and also to the template that I'll be using here as well. There we go. So then I'm going to cut that out. Okay, now that I have them cut out, I'm going to take some fireworks spray. This is the Tangelo color. Unscrew the lid, and then with a paintbrush, I'm just going to lightly go around the outside edges. And because this is a liquid, it's going to kind of bleed in a little bit, which is what I want. You can do a marker, but unless it's like a wet like this, it probably isn't going to work as well. Okay, next, using some white paint, just going to put a dot on right here. And then taking some craft wire, about 4 or 5 inches, I'm going to cut and just fold them in half. Okay, I think the paint is dry now. Now I'm just going to take a Copic marker and do a little dot right into the middle of those paint areas. Also just add some right over here along the sides. So now, starting at the circle, just kind of gather it all together. Okay, so now that I've got it all gathered together, you take the wire, go down to the bottom center, press it down as tight as you can, and twist the two wires together. Now I'm just going to take a shorter piece of wire, and taking beads, pretty much any color. Since I had 3 white ones fall out already, I will use those. Okay, I decided I needed 4. Just put those right on the front of the body, like that. Wrap it around to the back, and then tighten those up onto the butterfly like so. And then I'm just going to cut the extra pieces off, and then pulling each wing apart. So I'm stretching out the rivets of the crate paper. like that, so the wing stays open. And then once you kind of have a shape of what you're looking for, then just take the extras that are hanging down, oops, I mean of the wires, and I'm just going to use these pliers here to wrap it down like that. Add some hot glue, and then just press a skewer onto there, and you're good to go. Just like that. Just going to make another one real quick. I'm going to speed it up and just let you watch. So there they are. Some pretty crepe paper butterflies. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I would love a thumbs up if you liked my video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.